Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to remove acne, pimples, freckles and smooth out your skin. First, select a portrait of your preference. Now go to Effects and select Lens Blur. Increase the radius and adjust the lightness. Click Done. Then go to Draw. In the Layer section, delete the empty layer and add in a photo layer. Select the same image. Next, with the eraser, erase everything but the main facial features. Click Done and save the image. For the next steps, we will be using the Lightroom app. Upload the image you just edited. Select Light and adjust all of the stats as per your liking. Similarly, select Color and adjust the stats as per your preference. Click Done. Your mannequin-like skin is ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.